So good morning, guys. It's another day. I'm not going to say the whole dollar thing. That's a little cliche. But no, it's another day. Brandy is here, although not here. She's actually still back at the apartment. She should be back to snoozing right about now. So I just left her there. She actually spent most of the night on the couch because it had her propped up. Not necessarily feeling better. She's not necessarily much worse. The medicine is supposedly doing its job. We were given some warnings about, she gets a fever or above a certain point for a certain time. Excuse me. Gravelly voice. If she gets a fever past a certain point for a certain time, or if her eardrum ruptures, which just the thought of that, if something serious happens, we need to get her to the ER because it can be that serious. She's had a pretty bad ear infection before, so we just gotta keep an eye on that. But she's here. She's resting. She's going to spend most of the day sleeping. I need to get my voice cleared up. This is ridiculous. But we'll see how she's doing later this afternoon.
Morning, guys. Well, afternoon. I had the worst... Oh, you have hair on you. I had the worst night in a long time. It's about 1 o'clock. 1:30 in the afternoon. I'm just now eating breakfast. My ear hurts a lot. And work decided to call me this morning saying, "Why aren't you here?" And I'm like, I called in yesterday. I'm not supposed to be there till Friday. Why are y'all calling me? But they called me. So, got the breakfast. Yes, it's just yogurt. And watching the Shaytards. Because I'm bored. And not really here. Yay! So, yeah. Bye!
So our sick dork is at home. She has been all day. Just talked to her. She's been, okay, windshield wipers, you can stop. She's been kind of in and out all day, sleeping and all that kind of stuff. However, she's up now. She just got me to head on over to Walmart. I got a whole bunch of stuff. Some of the stuff for potato soup, some of it just she wanted Sprite. Groceries. That quick little pickup groceries. Oh, we forgot this before. Get it on your way home. So I'm being a good little husband to be.
It's raining. You can't even tell. Well, you can hear it. Well, you can slightly tell. Apparently it's been raining all day, but I've been so out of it that I haven't heard it. Oh well. Look who's home! Yeah! He's sitting out here enjoying the rain with me. Because it's raining.
It's pouring.
Is the old man snoring? Oh, there we go.
It works.
Yeah.
In this situation, I am the old man.
He's an old fart.
I'm the only man, but... So, because Brandy is sick, she got a really awesome dish for supper.
Saltgrass potato soup. Nom 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 nom.
Even though she dripped a little. But, no, we tried this before and y'all saw it, but the recipe we followed pretty well, but it was good. It was just a little bit thick. It was just slightly off, but I think we hit it this time. Did we hit it? Brandy's very happy. Happy potato dance. So the dork has gone stolen my pillow, is taking over the entire bed. I can't go to sleep, and then she's sitting here watching, what, YouTube videos on there? And I'm sitting here, I'm like, where's my pillow? Where's my blanket? She took it all. Dorkfish. Idiot. But as soon as I get the pillow back and my blanket, time to go to sleep. So you can at least tell him.
Good night.
It'll be a good night for her, probably not for me. Okay. Good night.